Curb appeal wise, the garage is the dominant feature from the front. Definitely not one of my favorites, but pound for pound, this plan really did stand out. First impressions when you come in through the foyer, your focus point is on the gathering room and this cafe area. It feels big, it kind of has that shotgun feel to it. The living room, dining, and kitchen. This was a very well done flex room. It was at the front, but it was kind of tucked out of the way. So it had two very nice windows in there, a lot of natural light. So if you really needed an office, it was one of the better ones for an office. Bath 2 is the main bath for any and all guests. Bedroom 2 here is not the biggest in the world, but it definitely gets the job done. The laundry room has another one of those pass-throughs to the owner's closet. Laundry room wasn't the largest in the world, but it got the job done. Very nice natural light coming into the common area here. The owner's suite, good lighting, and a really good size. I mean, it really was nice. Real negative to this plan is the pantry. Very, very small. But the kitchen's got decent cabinet space and a great island. With these covered lanais off to one side, just be mindful of what's going on with the neighbors. You know, lanai to lanai, whatnot.